Your phone is already yours. So why does it still say no when you want full control? In this video, I'll show you how to root your Android phone the right way. I'll walk you through every single step in plain language, with the exact commands for Pixel, Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Motorola. Every source is official and every command is real. Let's get into it. First, what does rooting actually mean? Think of Android like a rented apartment. You live there, but the landlord still owns the keys. Rooting gives you the master key. It lets you remove bloatware, run special apps, back up everything, and customize deep system settings that are usually locked away. But it's not free. Rooting voids your warranty, can permanently trip Samsung's Knox security fuse, and may stop banking apps from working. You take full responsibility for your own device. The good news is, almost every modern Android roots the same way. It's a 4-step pipeline. Step 1. Install Google's official platform tools, which give you 2 small programs called ADB and fastboot. Step 2. Unlock the bootloader, which is different for each brand. Step 3. Take the stock boot image from your phone's official firmware and patch it with Magisk. Step 4. Flash the patched image back and reboot. One pipeline, almost every phone. One detail matters a lot before we start. On Android 13 and newer, the image you patch is called init_boot, not boot. Older phones use boot. The Magisk app shows you exactly which one your device needs, so you always patch the right file. The latest Magisk, version 30, supports Android 6 all the way through Android 16. Get this right, and the rest is smooth. A lot of old guides push a custom recovery called TWRP from twrp.me. It's a powerful tool for installing custom firmware and making full backups of your system. But for rooting, Magisk's own team now recommends the patched image method instead. Modern phones rarely need TWRP just to get root. So treat TWRP as an optional extra, not a requirement. Let's start with Google Pixel, the easiest brand. First, open Settings, then About Phone, and tap the build number 7 times. That unlocks hidden developer options. Inside developer options, switch on OEM unlocking and switch on USB debugging. Then connect your phone to your computer and run ADB reboot bootloader. That drops your Pixel into fastboot mode, ready for the next step. In fastboot mode, run fastboot flashing unlock and confirm on screen. This opens the bootloader and wipes the phone, so back up anything important first. Now download the correct firmware for your exact Pixel model from Google's official factory images page. Extract the boot or init boot image, push it to your phone, patch it inside the Magisk app, then run fastboot flash boot with the patched file. Reboot, and root is done. Pixels are the most open, so this is the smoothest path of all. Samsung is the strictest, and I have to be honest about the cost. First, open developer options and find OEM unlocking. On many US and Canada models, this option simply does not exist, which means those phones can never be unlocked. If it does exist, switch it on. Then reboot into download mode and long press volume up to unlock. This wipes the phone and permanently trips the Knox security fuse. That disables Samsung Pay, secure folder, and some banking apps, and there is no going back. If you accept the Knox trade-off, here's how to finish. Download your exact firmware with a tool like Freya, which pulls it straight from Samsung's own servers. Unzip it, and you'll get files named AP, BL, CP, and CSC. Copy the AP file to your phone and patch it inside the Magisk app. Then boot into download mode. Open Odin on your computer and load the patched AP file into the AP slot, together with BL, CP, and CSC. Never use home CSC because you need a full data wipe. Hit start, and Samsung reboots automatically with root. Xiaomi is a test of patience. Before anything else, bind your phone to a Xiaomi account. Go into developer options, tap Mi Unlock Status, and sign in with your Mi account. Then apply for bootloader unlock and wait. Xiaomi usually enforces a full 168 hours, which is 7 days. During this wait, do not sign out or unlink the account, or the clock restarts. This is the part where most people give up, so set a reminder and be patient. Once the wait is over, it's straightforward. Download the official Mi Unlock tool on your computer and sign in with the same Mi account. Boot your phone into fastboot mode, connect it, and let the tool unlock the bootloader. That wipes the phone. Then extract the boot image from your device's stock firmware, patch it with Magisk, and flash it in fastboot. After a reboot, you have full root access on your Xiaomi. OnePlus keeps things simple because it follows the standard fastboot flow. First, enable developer options, turn on OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Then run ADB reboot bootloader and fastboot flashing unlock to open the bootloader, which wipes the phone. Now the key detail. On newer OnePlus phones from the 10 series up, patch and knit_boot. On older models, patch boot. Extract the right image from your stock firmware, patch it with Magisk, and flash it with fastboot flash. Then reboot and enjoy. Motorola is the only brand here that asks you to request a code. Go to Motorola's official bootloader unlock website, sign in with your Motorola account, and follow the steps to generate a unique unlock key for your exact device. Then enable developer options, turn on OEM unlocking, and boot into fastboot. Run fastboot OEM unlock, paste in your code, and confirm. That wipes the phone and unlocks it. Finish by patching the boot image with Magisk and flashing it, exactly like the others. For every other brand, like Realme, Nothing, Asus, OnePlus's sister brand Vivo, or any standard Android phone, the universal method is your best bet. Enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging, then unlock the bootloader with fastboot. Get the stock boot or init boot image from your official firmware, patch it with Magisk, and flash it back. Before you start, search your exact model number on XDA developers, because some devices have special quirks. And always patch the image on the very same phone you're rooting, never on another device. Before you flash anything, hear me out. Unlocking the bootloader wipes all your data, so back everything up first. Rooting can brick your phone if you flash the wrong image, and it permanently voids your warranty. On Samsung, it trips Knox for good. Bank apps and Google Wallet may stop working, and Play integrity checks will fail. Only do this on a device you own, for your own reasons, and accept the risk. If in doubt, don't. If you want to learn ethical hacking and phone security, hit that subscribe button.